Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Jomz. Good morning guys! It's our day 2 here in Vancouver. Today is August 24. It's already 7:17 in the morning. We're going to Victoria Island. That's our first day. So, ang travel from here to downtown is mga 1 hour and a half. So ngayon, pinifigure out namin kung paano pumunta doon. And ang ferry namin, nakaschedule na kami for 9 o'clock. So dapat hindi kami malate. Okay, see you there!
With the crew!
With the crew!
Kelvin at the Annie there.
Hi guys, morning. Nandito na kami sa bus going to Chavasan. Yun yung ferry, terminal ferry. Papunta ng Victoria. Alis kasi makay ng bus. Sa Pilipinas lang. Ayun sila oh. So from here, 30 minutes roughly yung travel time. Papunta doon. So, we are just in time. Hindi kami malilate.
Anong oras yung ano natin?
Ha?
Anong oras?
9 o'clock yung ferry natin pa. And then yung bayad natin dito, magkano? $3? Sa,
Yeah.
we pay $3 sa train.
Tapos ano kanina? 4:35 na?
$4.
Sa train?
Pag maaga pang mura yung train. Kahapon ang bayad natin parang $7 $9.
From airport yan.
Oh, from airport.
Oh yeah, we still reach the bus. Punta kay kuya.
Na tayo. We are here. Chavasan Ferry Terminal.
With the gang. Ako rin.
Just kind of question. If I have ticket, we'll just go ahead. If we purchase online. Oh, okay. And this is... May ticket na tayo. Napunta tayo ng Bird 5. Bird 5. Bird 5. Oo, okay. Maaga pa tayo. Kaya bumili na ako ng online kasi minsan puno na. Hindi na sila nagpapasakay. Hintay ka na naman.
Wala first come first serve, no?
Oo. Nandito na tayo sa anong tanging terminal?
Waiting area.
Waiting area, Bay Area. So, inom na ako ng Grapple just in case. Usually, hindi naman ako nahihilo pero mabuti na sure. Kasi 1 hour din yung biyahe niya. Si Ate Annie uminom ba? Ayan guys, papunta na tayo sa ferry.
Lamig?
Ayan guys, so nakita nyo, papasok yung mga sasakyan. Saka tayo?
Oo.
Saan tayo? Dito? Saan tayo sinilabas? Saan? Pwede rin naman. O sa mas...
Ay, may iba kasi galing na ng labas.
Ay, ako rin din yung cellphone. Baka malaglag. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Victoria Island. So nintay lang natin na
Duck.
mag-duck. You know, duck.
Jellyfish ba yun? Parang jellyfish.
Nandito na tayo guys, Victoria Island.
First time niya lahat, di ba?
First
Yeah.
time.
Mag-wish daw na.
Labas na tayo ng ferry, barko pala. Ferry. Nagulat ako kay Kuya. Yes! Victoria Island. We're here! Next stop natin guys, from here punta tayo ng downtown Victoria.
Downtown to Cowtown.
Saan ba tayo? Malabo.
Thank you.
Hey guys! Ay, nakaon ka ba?
Ah.
Hey! We're on vacation! We're here already at Victoria. This one is, ano ang tawag sa akin kanina?
Parliament.
Victoria Parliament. Diyan ginaganap yung mga, when they're making their laws here in Canada. So, and Victoria, for your information, is the capital of BC.
Not
Dito,
Vancouver.
So naglalakad pa rin tayo. Nandito tayo sa Victoria
Anong tawag dito?
Harbor. Mapagawa ng kwento. Victoria Harbor. Hindi naman alam ko ano to. Ano to? Victoria. Basta dito sa Victoria. Tapos nakikita niyo yun, the Empress. That's one of the famous hotel. Siguro parang equivalent yan is yung
Fairmont?
mga Fairmont Hotel.
Oh, okay.
Yan. Dito, the Empress. The Empress. So mamaya pupunta pa tayo, ikot pa tayo sa downtown. Pero ngayon, enjoy muna natin yung Marina.
Marina Bay.
Nandito si
Marina.
Dugong.
Dugong.
So,
And Lorelai.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
We are at
Okay, Fisherman's Wharf.
Fisherman's Wharf.
We're still here in Victoria.
Siya na
Siya. Vlog takeover.
Ani?
Your turn.
Welcome to Fisherman's Wharf
At
at
San Tanto.
Victoria Island.
Victoria Island.
Yes.
Fisherman's Wharf.
Lands of the Fishermen.
Ang talino.
Tapos,
Tayo dito. Kasi meron dito yung mga bahay. Yung mga nakatira dito, iba-ibang kulay. So,
floating houses ba yung mga yan?
tapos pa-picture tayo, tapos kain tayo dito.
Mas maraming mga kainan nyo. Iikot namin kayo dito sa Fisherman's Wharf. See? There's a lot of people eating.
Diba? Ang saya.
Pwede mo siya i-vlog ko.
Oh, yan. Yan o.
Yung Pinas, ang dampo.
Dampa, diba? Look, parang dampa sa Pilipinas. Ay, sorry.
Dito na.
Huwag muna tayo bago tayo
We're gonna eat first? Or we're
Yes.
gonna...
Ay, ganda magka-picture dito sa gitna.
Ani.
Mexican.
Would you like me to take a picture of you on this side?
Ito Mexican seafood
Come on.
pala to. Ay, ito pala yung mga ano nito.
Ayong protapo.
Tamang gawin.
May sarado sila.
Ay, yung masarap.
Hindi dito yung ano nila. Dito lang dito.
Ay, ito yung ano, ito yung pilang.
Sa So we decided to eat here at Barb's. Nililitratuan sila doon. Dito naman kami kakain ng fish and chips. Pero si Elvin daw burger ang
Okay
kakain.
na.
Burger and fries.
Burger and fries.
Sana McDo na lang siya na.
Dapat nag-McDo na lang to sa Wetaskiwin eh.
Or A&W.
Nag-ano pa dito na masahe pa ng pagkamahal-mahal. Pakagastos pa pumunta pa dito sa
Lumipad pa, lumipad pa
Victoria Island para lang bumili ng burger. Pero magbi-beer daw siya, may pinagdadaanan ka. So guys, kain na na. Nakita na sila na mga kainan dito. Kain tayo guys.
I don't wanna seize all the things that we have done tonight. It's a mystery.
Kadarating lang namin sa Chinatown. Naglakad kami ng mga almost
Sarado na.
45 minutes. Instead na punta kami dito, palayo kami ng palayo. Dito lang pala, dun lang kami bumaba. Umikot pa kami. So, but anyway, this is our last stop
In Victoria.
in Victoria. Unfortunately, we missed to catch the Burchard Garden. Burchard Garden. Now, we're here. We're gonna explore Chinatown, the oldest Chinatown in North America. We are here in Canton Alley. Picture mo ako sa red door.
Kasi ano pa?
Uy, umaman siya tayo. Sasakay na tayo ng bus, papunta na ano.
Ferry.
Oo.
Anong bus?
70 nakalagay. 70. Swartz Ferry.
Swartz Bay.
Swartz Ferry.
Diretso na yun.
So, we're going home. We're going back to Vancouver downtown. It's already 7:24. Walis yung ferry na 7 o'clock. But I've said, hindi namin napuntahan yung Butchart Garden. But it's okay kahit na hindi namin napuntahan. It means there's a reason for us to come back here in Vancouver Island. We'll go back next year. Hope everything goes well. So we'll go back next year. Look at that very beautiful sunset on that side, and more islands. Beautiful islands over there. 360 degrees.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night.
Guys, nandito na kami sa, sa hotel. We're so tired. It's already 11 o'clock. And then, bumili na kami ng food kasi we are starving. Nag-japa, ano tawag dito?
Japadog.
Japadog. Lagyan natin yan dyan. I'm so hungry. Akala ko may hotdog to. Wala pala tong hotdog. Ito yung Japadog, guys, oh. Japadog. Fried
Yakisoba.
yakisoba. Kain tayo, guys. Kain! So guys, tapos na kaming kumain. It's already 12 midnight. It's time to relax and sleep to get ready for another day tomorrow. So please stay tuned for another day here in Vancouver. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave me some comments. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong video. This is Jomz saying God bless you all, be kind, and live your life to the fullest. We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.